going to heal unless you fix and flap. So that is the mantra, you fix and flap. I mean, give a good, robust, soft tissue cover at the first surgery. So all of you have heard of Ganga Hospital. It's an excellent hospital run by two brothers, one a plastic surgeon and the other an orthopedician. So they've actually brought out the concept of fix and flap in India, and they have come out with this code, the Ganga Hospital classification. This is very, very important because any patient with a score less than 14, however mangled the extremity you must try and salvage the limb. But between 15 and 16 is a grey zone. But if the score is above 17, then you have to go in for an amputation. So what's the algorithm for managing lower limb trauma? So if after, you see, it has to be evaluated by both the orthopedic and the plastic surgeon. If there is there is vascular injury which you feel is unsalvageable, and that is the score is above 17, you go in for amputation. But if it's a salvageable limb, the reconstructive attempt has to be immediate. So what is that? The first is debridement and revascularization if it's a vascular injury. If there's no vascular injury, then you do the debridement, stabilize the bone with the external fixator, could use negative pressure vac therapy to bridge, to give you some time, and then after 3 to 5 days have a relook, and that's to put in a flap and